Hi guys, so I was in a swap on Country Creational Swaps on Facebook with Colette Garland, who's also Country Creations here on YouTube, and we were to make a camera, excuse me, that had at least one compartment in it and a handle so that it could be carried and used as a box afterwards. And this is the swap that I've had back from Jeanette. So this is the camera. There's this bird on top. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It's made of burlap with real feathers. And she's popped on some steampunk elements along the top. And it's also got feet on the bottom. And the two buttons for the camera are there for buttons. And here's the handle. So it lifts. It did get a little bit squashed in the post, Jeanette, so I'm awfully sorry about that. We open it up, and inside there's a little card. Reads, "Hi Tambara, thanks for being my swap partner for a mini camera. This was fun. Hope you like what I've made for you. Handmade with love by Jeanette Carter." That's on these little gold pegs that she'd got on either side. And open it up, and she's popped inside some ephemera. These little cameras. There's lots of those. Oops. So lots of little cameras and a heart blank there with a heart there. That was in the one pocket. Then in the next pocket, there's this beautiful rose gold tassel. It'll come in very handy. Thank you so much for that. It's gorgeous. I love the feel of that. And also in here was this trim. It's like a brown, ruffled, aged seam binding. So I don't know if it's actually vintage, but it looks vintage. So there was that in there as well. So thank you for that. That will come in very handy. And also in here, it's some very delicate butterfly, vellum butterflies. Very, very delicate. That'll come in handy for a nice card or something. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much. And 3 ATC cards. So there's this one, and this one. And they've got on the back it's feathers and this harlequin pattern. Also in here are these tags which I've never seen before, these clear tags. So there's this round one, an ordinary square shaped tag, a little round shaped tag, and a little square shaped tag. I'm sure I can put pictures underneath those, so they'll come very handy as well. Oh, also in here, these little cards, little scorecards. For ephemera. There's 2 of those with pictures on the front. They will come in handy. Nice to have some ephemera. There was this packet of, or page of sticky tags. They'll go in handy for my planner. Thank you so much for that. And there was this book band here, which will come in handy. Thank you very much. And a little telephone book with all cups and saucers and teapots and things all over it. So that'll come in very handy. So thank you so much, Jeanette, for all of that. And thank you to Colette for hosting the swap. It was fun to do. Sorry I don't have I didn't show my camera, but I'm sure that if you go to Country Creational Swaps, you'll see a picture of it on there. So I'm now going to take pictures of this and pop it onto Country Creational Swaps. And if you like the video, guys, like it. If you don't, then don't. And I will catch you again next time. Bye-bye now.